Did you know that there are tiny, almost unnoticeable gestures that can make a woman think about you again and again, even though you may believe they're insignificant? It's not about grand words, expensive presents, or pretending to be confident. It's about the little details. These small actions are often where genuine attraction starts to develop, along with an emotional connection that cannot be forced or faked. What if I told you that these simple gestures could make a meaningful difference in your relationship? Most men ignore these details without realizing just how strongly they can affect a woman. Today, you'll discover how to truly stand out and become the kind of man who's difficult to forget. We'll also talk about the biggest mistake 99% of men make and why it can cause a woman to lose interest, even when everything appears to be going perfectly in the beginning. So, be sure to stay with this video until the very end, because the final part may completely change the way you look at relationships. Welcome to this channel, where we explore how small details can create a major difference in a relationship and help you understand female psychology on a deeper level. In today's video, I'll share 7 things that almost every woman appreciates, even though she rarely talks about them openly. If you've ever felt that you don't completely understand what truly matters to her, this video may give you some of the answers you've been searching for. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video if you find the topic relevant to you. Your support genuinely helps this channel grow. Also, leave a 1 in the comments if you're interested, or a 0 if you're not. Your opinion is important to us. And of course, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Let's begin with one of the most overlooked, yet surprisingly powerful gestures, a caring touch. For many women, physical contact isn't simply about the body. More importantly, it's connected to emotions. A gentle massage of the shoulders, neck, or back can help release tension, clear away the stress of a long day, and create a stronger sense of closeness. Most importantly, do it calmly and slowly, rather than simply doing it out of formality. You can use a little oil or lotion with a pleasant fragrance. Move your hands gently and pay attention to her reaction. A simple gesture like this can communicate something powerful without saying a single word. I care about you. I'm here for you. Next comes polite and respectful flirting. Many men avoid flirting because they're afraid of seeming too aggressive or being rejected. However, most women actually enjoy a gentle, natural, and respectful approach. A subtle smile, a warm gaze, or a simple compliment can create a pleasant interaction that brings out her femininity and makes her feel valued. Flirting shouldn't disappear simply because a relationship has already started. In fact, this is exactly when flirting can help maintain warmth and remind both of you of those early moments when attraction and intimacy first began to grow. Another gesture that many men overlook is touching her hair. For many women, hair can be a sensitive area connected with comfort, affection, and trust. A gentle touch during a peaceful moment, perhaps while watching a movie or lying together, can create a feeling of warmth and security. The important thing is that the situation feels natural rather than forced, and that you choose the right moment. Next, there's placing a hand on the middle of her back. It may appear to be a very ordinary gesture, but the message behind it can be surprisingly powerful. It communicates protection, presence, and reassurance. When you're walking together in public and gently place your hand on her back, the message is simple: I'm here. You're safe. It's not about control. Instead, it's about showing mature, steady, and genuine care. There's also a protective side to this. Women often want to feel that the man beside them won't simply disappear when life becomes difficult. This doesn't mean searching for arguments or getting involved in unnecessary conflict. It means being willing to stand beside her when she truly needs you. Sometimes, one small but confident step forward or even a simple reassuring sentence is enough to make her feel that she doesn't have to handle everything alone. Moments like these can remain in someone's memory much longer than ordinary words. The next gesture may sound incredibly simple, but it can have a strong emotional effect, letting her know that she's present in your dreams. This can create the feeling that she's somewhere in your thoughts even when you're not consciously thinking about her, making her feel more important and meaningful within the relationship. Then there's the visual side, such as keeping a beard well-groomed and neat. Many women connect this with maturity, masculinity, and stability. But what's truly important isn't simply the appearance itself. It's the way a man takes care of himself and carries that appearance with confidence. And finally, we have the power of a hug. A warm and reassuring embrace can create feelings of safety, emotional closeness, and a deeper connection. A kiss on the forehead or even holding her hand can also strengthen that sense of togetherness in ways that words alone cannot. All of these gestures may seem small and simple, but it's often through these little details that a woman truly feels how she is being treated within a relationship. They don't require a lot of money, but they do require attention, presence, and sincerity. When you begin incorporating these gestures naturally, you may not only strengthen your relationship, but also become the kind of man she genuinely wants beside her. If you enjoyed these ideas, tell me in the comments which ones you've already used. Or, if you'd like to try some of them, tell me which ones caught your attention. And if you've stayed until the very end, let me know that as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is a perfect time to do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.